About this item: wide input and output. Input 100-240V 50-60 Hz worldwide. Output 15V 16V 19V 19.5V 20V 4.5A 90W 65W 45W. Not compatible with devices voltage higher than 90W. Wide compatibility. This universal adapter contains 16 optional tips fit for most laptops, Ultrabook, Chromebook, and so on. Including Dell, HP, Acer, Asus, Lenovo, IBM, Toshiba, Samsung, Sony, Fujitsu, Gateway, etc. As long as the connector of your laptop belongs to one of these 16 tips, it will works. Wide compatibility. HP Envy 1715 Touch Smart Sleek Book M6 M7 Stream 11 13 14 Spectre X360 Pavilion DV4 DV6 DV7 DM4 G6 G7 DV14 15 2000 5000 6000 8000 Folio Illit ebook ProBook etc. Dell Inspiron 11Z 1121 1320 13Z 53 14 to 3420 14Z 5423 15R 5537 15R 5520 14R 17R N 5010 N 7110 XPS Latitude Portage Studio 1517 etc. Lenovo ThinkPad